Hello everyone. Myself Utkalika. Once again coming with Sambalpuri collections. देखो इसलिए Hello everyone. Today once again Utkalika with some Sambalpuri exclusive traditional patterns. Today I am show you totally pure, exclusive and traditional patterns. And one thing, जमती जगन्नाथ महाप्रभु आमर गर्व सेमती आमर संबलपुरी कपड़ा मध्य आमर गर्व कारण संबलपुरी रो वेवर्स माने दिस आर ऑल हैंड ओवन सब हाथ बुना पूरा हाथ रे बुणी किना से माने तैयारी करंती सेत पई संबलपुरी मटेरियल होची बहुत एवरलास्टिंग कंफर्टेबल आ बहुत भलो भी लागे Actually today I am showing you exclusive patterns, traditional and actually all these patterns are totally hand woven and traditional design. And I will provide you in the waivers price, minimum to minimum waivers price. Okay, first one I will show you. This one is Utkala Lakshmi Pata. This one is Utkala Lakshmi Pata. Look at this. This one is Utkala Lakshmi Pata. Actually, Utkala Lakshmi Pata is combination of Pasapalli, double ikat and Bandhagama. So it is so beautiful. Actually this is very traditional. 30 to 40 years back all the weavers are designed this, but now once again it reverse and come to the fashion. This one is Utkala Lakshmi Pata. I'll show you. The combination is black, white and red bandhakama, and the border is golden rudraksha border. I'll show you the anchal. This one is the tribal work anchal. This one. Tribal wall anchal. And the blouse piece is black and golden stripe work. This one is Utkala Lakshmi Pata. Next one is Devdaru design. Green and maroon combination. This one is Devdaru design, Devdaru tree design. Look at this. Yellow color Devdaru tree with green combination, and the border is maroon. Maroon with golden Rudraksha border. I'll show you the design. This one is the maroon anchal with elephant work. Elephant and temple with traditional tribal work. And the blouse is dark maroon. Maroon blouse. And this one is the Devdaru tree design with green and dark maroon combination. This one is the anchal. Once again I will show you. This one is the anchal. Elephant and temple with tribal art. This one is a traditional exclusive sari, that is coffee and maroon combination Lakshmi Pata sari. Exclusive pata, that is Lakshmi Pata sari with maroon border, maroon and coffee combination. This one is coffee and maroon combination. The border is maroon with golden Rudraksha border, and all over the body there are tribal jhoti design and Lakshmi Pada design. Jhoti with Lakshmi Pada design. Look at this. I'll show you the anchal and the color combination. Look at the anchal, how beautiful it looks. Red is maroon anchal with jhoti design, patta anchal. And the blouse piece is this one. This one is the maroon blouse piece with golden borders. This one is exclusive traditional Lakshmi Pada Jhoti Pata with maroon and coffee combination. And maroon blouse with maroon anchal. Anchal was, once again I will show you, Jhoti Pata anchal and maroon blouse. I'll show you the total sari. Okay. The sari looks like this. There is another sari, same design, different color. That is ash and maroon combination sari. Same Lakshmi Pada Jhoti design, traditional exclusive pata, but the color combination is dark maroon with ash color, cement color. I'll show you the anchal. This one is the anchal. the Sankha Jhoti design. And now I'll show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece is dark maroon. This one is the view of this total part with maroon border. कुछ लोगों को ना लाइट कलर बहुत पसंद होता है, इसीलिए ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो बहुत अच्छा है कॉम्बिनेशन है, लाइट सीमेंट कलर विथ डार्क मेरून. गॉर्जियस कलर भी है, जो आंचल और ब्लाउज भी रहेगा मेरून डार्क का, और ये जो है वो पूरा सीमेंट कलर का जो होल बॉडी. लक्ष्मी पादा छोटी डिजाइन. All these are traditional exclusive patterns. Hi Sumitri, hi Susmita. Hello Susmita. I'll show you once again the Utkala Lakshmi Patta. There is a request for showing you and once again Utkala Lakshmi Patta. This one is Utkala traditional exclusive Utkala Lakshmi Patta. White, maroon and black combination. Actually, Utkala Lakshmi Patta is the combination of double ikat, pasapali and bandha design. These are pasapalis, double ikat design with flowers or bandha kamas design. Combination of three work. The border is golden Rudraksha border. Beautiful Rudraksha border. Okay. I'll show you the total sari. This one is Utkala Lakshmi design. Traditional patta. 20-30 years back design, but once again it's come to the fashion. Hi Lipsita. पीछे देखा जाओगी. Just a minute. Very nice अच्छा.
Very nice actually. Black ground ज़्यादा light.
Is the video is visible? Please tell me. Someone tell me. मते किसी देखा जाऊनी. Smruti Panigrahi telling me मते किसी देखा जाऊनी. Is the video is visible? Hello. Is the video is visible? Please tell me. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Susmita. Okay. This one is traditional exclusive Utkala Lakshmi Patta. And the anchal is, I'll show you the anchal. This one is the traditional design. Tribal art design. Animals tribal art design. And the blouse piece is black color striped blouse piece. This one is the blouse piece. Please, if you want to know the price, then take the snapshot of the sari and send me in my WhatsApp number. I'll tell you the price. Otherwise, please. Okay. Otherwise, tell me the number of the sari. I will say you the price. Okay. Then I'll show you. This one is the Utkala Lakshmi Patta. Okay. Next, I'll show you another sari. This one is पसापाली नवकोठी और पंचकोठी साड़ी. नवकोठी और पंचकोठी साड़ी. This one पसापाली design, extremely exclusive and traditional Sambalpuri patta. These are totally hand woven. This one is Navakoti or Panchakoti Sambalpuri patta with golden Rudraksha border, Bandhakama in between these two Rudraksha border. Okay, I'll show you the anchal. This one is the anchal. Traditional animal and bandhakamas are there all over the anchal. Black color combination with Pasapalis is red and maroon. Maroon is red, white and black combination sari. The blouse piece is this one. Sorry. This one is the blouse piece. Black blouse piece with stripe work. This one is Sambalpuri, Navakothi or Panchakothi exclusive traditional pattern. ज़्यादा लाइट है এটা ঠিক আছে গো Another one is pickup design sarees. Pickup design saree. The combination is dark maroon with cement color, ash color or cement color. This one is pickup design saree, dark maroon with ash or cement color combination. I'll show you the anchal. This one is the jhoti, traditional jhoti design. Anchal. Dark reddish maroon. Jhoti ka muh. This one is the blouse piece with golden Rudraksha border. I'll show you the saree once again. This one is pickup design saree. Actually, please message me in the take the snapshot of this saree and send me which one you send. I'll tell the price. Okay. Next one is this one also traditional exclusive pata, sweet Rani combination with coffee border. Bring them on camera. Okay. This one is Rani with dark coffee combination. Hi Trupti. Hi Vijayini. Okay, I'll show you the anchal of this sari. This one is the anchal. Totally tribal jhoti design. Coffee color anchal, and the blouse piece is, this one is the blouse piece, striped coffee color with golden rudraksha border. This one is the anchal. This one is the body. All total tribal design. Another one is Pasapali design with yellow green combination. Look at this. Green and yellow body, green Pasapali border design. Look at this. The border is fish border design. This one is fish border design. Please take the screenshot. And send me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 94372882118. This one is my WhatsApp number. I'll send you the price personally, and I'll give you in the waiver price. I'll show you the anchal of this sari. Look at the anchal, how beautiful it looks. This one is green white Pasapali. All over the Pasapali come up in anchal. Beautiful green and yellow combination sari. This one is yellow with green border. With fish border design. For price, please send me the snapshot of the sari in my mobile WhatsApp number 94372882118. I will give you the reasonable rate, that is waiver price. Okay. This one is yellow and green combination pasapali sari. All over the body. Body is yellow color plain and border is green pasapali. And the anchal is all over the anchal is pasapali and the blouse piece is plain green color blouse piece. All these sari are traditional exclusive pure Sambalpuri's patterns. And now I'll show you some mix pattern. This one is Sambalpuri mix pattern with Rudraksha border. This one is green color with coffee combination. Light bottle green with siuli color with coffee combination. I'll show you the anchal. Look at this anchal. Fish straight line with bandha kama and the blouse piece is coffee color. This one is coffee blouse piece. Someone written संबलपुरी मोबाइल कॉल लगी जोगाजोग करंतु जो नंबर टी देइछंती से नंबर जानिनी मु अलगा केही जने लोक देइछंती से कोन रेट रे देबे मु कहि पारुनी किंतु से भूल मेसेज दोछंती अलगा लाइफ ये रे तने आपण ताको नंबर रे जदी करिवे जदी किछि प्रॉब्लम हुए ताले मते किछि कहिबेनी मोर जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर टी देइछि सेथिरे 9437288218. This one is siuli color with coffee combination. This one is mix pattern. Another one I'll show you. Another one, this one is yellowish brown color with coffee combination. Sweet brown color and the anchal is this one is the anchal. I'll show you the anchal chitta design. Hello Namita, hi Rosaline, hi Arati. This one is coffee and brown combination sari. I'll show you. And the blouse piece is coffee color blouse piece. This one is mixed silk sari. Another one, I'll show you one mix Sambalpuri, that is Bonkei silk. This one, royal blue with black combination with silver border. All over the body there is booty work, small booty works. All over the sari there are small booty works. for price, please take the snapshot and send me in my WhatsApp number. I'll personally message you and I'll give you in the waiver price. Okay, this one is Bunke design silk sari with black border, with black kumbhas and rudraksha border. I'll show you the anchal. This one is the anchal. Black bandha kama in the anchal. Black and royal blue combination with black kumbha in the border. And the blouse piece is plain black color. Plain black color blouse piece. I'll show you. This one is the blouse piece. Black plain blouse piece with rudraksha border. This one is the sari. I'll show you the sari. All over the sari, the body, there are small booty works. Thank you, Sneha. Hi, Saraswati. Hi, Sneha. Okay. This one also mixed silk sari. Please take the snapshot of the sari and send me in my WhatsApp number 9437288218. I'll personally message and I'll promise I'll give you in the waiver price. Okay. Once again I'll show you all the exclusive patterns. This one is Panchakoti and Nabakoti exclusive silk traditional pattern. This one is Devdaru design, green and yellow combination with dark maroon border. This one is yellow and green combination pasapalli pattern, yellow body and green border with white pasapallis with fish border, and all over the anchal green pasapallis are there and the blouse is plain green color blouse. This one is Lakshmi Pada design, traditional Lakshmi Pada jhoti design sari with dark coffee and maroon, reddish maroon combination. Please take the snapshot, Saraswati. Which sari you want to know which price you want to know, and send me in my WhatsApp number. I'll personally message you the price of that sari. This one is traditional Lakshmi Pada jhoti design sari with maroon and coffee combination. Another one is traditional Lakshmi Pada with jhoti design sari with dark maroon combination. These are all exclusive pure original patterns. And this one is peacock design sari with dark maroon combination, ash color with dark maroon combination. And this one is Utkala Lakshmi sari, pasapalli, doubly cut and bandha design. Traditional exclusive pattern. जेमती जगन्नाथ आमर महाप्रभु जेमती आमर गर्व सेमती ओडिया संबलपुरी साड़ी होची आमर गर्व आ वेभर माने बहुत कष्ट रे गुडा बुनी थांती तांकर डिजाइन टोटली हैंड ओवन से माने पूरा हाथ रे बुनी थांती साड़ी को तेणु एटा बहुत रिलायबल एवर लास्टिंग तेणु आपण माने मु कहूची एथि पई जे आपण माने संबलपुरी आम ओडिया आम जिंसर देखिए जोटा कि बहुत प्राधान्य अछि. Okay, for today this much. Next session I will try to my best some other collection like kurtis, Sambalpuri dress materials and dhila for dhila and some running materials and much more. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Please send me message me, take the snapshot of the sari and send me in my mobile number 9437288218. I will send you the price personally. Okay, thank you, bye bye.